Here we go, traders. Lilly, Eli Lilly, got the weight loss drug, but let me tell you something. What looked good, and I told everybody this a month ago, ends up being bad. We test 150-day, we rally up 2 days. There's a lot of regulation. People are going to the emergency room with these weight loss drugs. I want you to know why we shorted it. We didn't start shorting it. We started buying. I'll just let you see it right here. We started buying the actual $900 puts at the time when we featured it. Everybody understands it. Everybody knows it. Everybody's getting paid. Below here, when we started buying these, they were only $35. They hit a high of 93. Yeah, well, they hit a high of 110. Eli Lilly. More downside coming. We're going to let the puts run. When it breaks the 150, we'll look at going long at the 200-day simple moving average on Eli Lilly, king of the weight loss drug. There's a few other ones I'll update that we went short. We did get support. We haven't broke below it, but we'll let this one keep rolling short. You heard me. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Let's develop the relationship. We work well together in the live trading room. Get that through your mind.